As you probably know, the home screen has now got a ton of new customization features with iOS 18, from changing how the icons look and where they're positioned, to just about everything else. But another thing that's changed is how you can edit and control widgets in a really quick way. Here I've got the music app icon on my home screen, and if I long press on it, I get some new options. These options will let me switch between the app icon and widgets of differing sizes. So for example, if I tap on here, the app icon is now gone, only to be replaced by the small widget, which of course is fully interactive, so I can now control music on the home screen. This saves having to add a new widget and then find it and then drag it on. All of that hassle is now simply replaced by long pressing the app icon. I can also long press again and jump to the medium-sized widget, and I can even long press to get the large widget if I want to. Of course, the benefit of doing this is I get more interactive elements on those widgets, meaning I can control the music from my home screen far easier. But another way you can actually resize your widgets that again is new for iOS 18 is if you tap and hold on your home screen to go into editing mode, I call it jiggle mode, you get these little grab handle corners on the widgets. Simply tap and drag there and you can change the size of your widget in a really nice free-flowing way. That means you can see what it looks like and choose where you want to position it as well. And as I mentioned at the start of the video, there are tons of new ways to customize your iPhone home screen in iOS 18. In fact, there are tons of ways to customize all sorts of different parts of your phone. If you want to learn more about just what's possible, I've made an ebook down below of 100 quick tips for iOS 18, and these are some really cool features that will make your phone better than ever before. So please do check that out, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.